Hi guys, welcome back to Amara's Kitchen. Today I decided to take you guys on a tour on how I get my meats. The meat I use in cooking from the farm. I don't buy meat from the store. I usually go to the farm to get a cow meat. Okay, let's go. So guys, here we are. I already went just kind of acting crazy. Okay, so this is me. We are in the farmyard, far from where we live, like almost almost 2 hours from where we live, close to 2 hours. Okay, so we usually come here to buy a cow. We'll buy a whole cow, and then we butcher them right there. This is the skin, and this is the cow. They already cutting the cow. So yes, so the cow is being butchered right now. So we usually come here. They say cow, they say chicken, they say goat meat, any kind of meat you want, they sell them here. So this is where we usually come to buy our cow meat. Okay, that's my last son. And that's my second daughter, and there is their goat meat. They have a lot of goat meat. So I'm not the one making this video, so my daughter is the one making the video, so she's just all over the place. I decided to take it over from her for a little bit. So a little closer to the cow skin. So these are the skin. We bought the burning stuff, so if we don't have this stuff, we'll probably be throwing away all the skin, but we decide to buy our own burner and then bring our own portable gas. Okay, our propane will come with our propane gas, and then also the burner, so we can be able to like burn all the skin and then take them, because if we don't have those stuff, we'll just be throwing all the skins away because they don't have stuff to burn them for us. Sorry, for privacy purposes I have to like cover up their faces, so I don't want anybody saying that I'm videoing them without their consent.
We got the head.
So this is just the meat. That's how we're gonna go, like keep cutting them, and then I'll put them in a bag, a very big grocery, all those big bag, trash bag. We'll buy them from the store, then we use them to bag every single thing. So I have to give my daughter back the phone. She's not really doing a very good videoing, but I just have to like manage it, whatever she can get for me. I wish I have a grown-up person that can do a better video for me while I help out, because I can't just stay there standing around holding the camera doing video while other people just do the job. So I just have to like have her do the video as much as she can do while I help out in doing some stuff as well. So these ones are already tired. They are going to get into the car. Yeah, it's a little bit, like not a little bit, it's a lot windy, very very windy back here. So although this is during the summer, but you know, when you're living at all this outskirts from the city, living around the deeper inside of kind of village kind of thing, American village, those areas known as village. So they have all these trees all over the place, and when there is a lot of space in a particular place, it's so windy. There is more breeze coming in around that area, as you can see when you look at the area. I wish I'm the one doing the video so I can show you guys a little bit around what I'm talking about, but it is what it is right now. Maybe next time when I go there, I'll find a time to do videos myself. Okay, but right now I just have to like be helpful, okay, be useful. I just want to be useful and help out.
Probably because they don't want to be outside anymore.
So these are the legs, the cow legs. She already moved the camera away. So the one that I was doing right now is the cow legs.
Huh?
So she's already getting tired of the video. She want to pause it. So back to the cow meat. So they have butchered half of it. So half is left. As you can see, right there. So that's how they usually cut it. And the at the container, those big bowl or those big bath there is where they have the intestines and the, yeah, all the intestine, the towel, everything. And this is the head and some of the bone. Okay, so the head, I'll have them cut into a few more pieces, and then the legs, I'll have them slice them, like cut them into little pieces. I'll still use them. And these are the intestine, which is the cow intestine, the towel, the kidney, the liver, all of those stuff are in that big container by the left side. So that will take care of later as well. And why I like this place that the cow, the goats, everything are being fed naturally. They eat the grass, they go out to feed by themselves, they do everything by themselves. It's not like the one that is being fed with all those agricultural, all those food feeding, like the feeding that they go and buy and feed the cow. No, these ones, they feed themselves by grass, they eat grass, they eat all the natural food by themselves. So that's why they taste so different. The taste are so delicious, like normal cow meat that you buy from Nigeria or from any other African country or that kind of a thing. So it's not like organic fed. No, it's not fed in any way. They feed themselves. They get their own food by themselves. So that's why I like coming to this farm to buy cow meat. I know it's very noisy right now, but I will try to put the volume down if I can. And here is my kids. They're really having a lot of fun feeding the feeding the goats. Look at the way he's looking at the goat if he's eating. So they feel so excited, like super excited seeing those goats and feeding them. Like they are like, this is like a priceless gift for them. Being able to be there, feed the goats. They are so happy about it. They feel so happy. You can't imagine the kind of joy they have seeing a goat in, like for real, like being able to see a goat, cow, seeing all those things in real life, even chicken. Because usually where they see all of this is in the video, in camera, all of that. But being able to be there live and direct, seeing it and feeding them, they were so happy about it. It's really windy. It's really windy. If you guys can see, it's so windy. You can see how the wind is blowing my daughter's clothes like all over the place. The wind just blow away all the grass he got for the goats. Sometimes things that you will see to be like things that you consider to be nothing is like something that means a lot for someone else. For me, I don't even see anything like feeding a goat. It's not anything special to me, but to them, being born in America and they have not even like seen a goat in real life, seen cow in real life, seen chicken in real life. They only see all of that in the video. When they watch YouTube or any of these videos, they see all of that. But for them, being able to be there live and direct, saying it's like priceless gift for them.
What did you make again? I didn't see it properly.
Don't. No! Stop, she's trying to video it. Okay, good.
Oh, it's a cut it in the last one.
Nope.
I want to do this part.
If you are... No, we Roblox. And I try my other voice. That's funny. Okay, so can you stop videoing me now? Good.
I ended the video.
Let's
Wait.
I'm
gonna make some. I want to do this part.
I guess they got tired of
Nah.
staying
I
outside,
want
so
it to
they
look
came
good.
inside the car and started making
I know
video
what
of
I mean.
themselves while we're still out there struggling with
You'll
the
have no
cow.
idea what I'm making.
Anyway, that's kids
I
for
miss
you.
the dog. Where's the dog?
They leave when they are tired. They don't care.
The dog is... Why the chicken still over there?
He has a band-aid.
I know. He looks calm.
Oh. Yeah, with the eyes, he looks calm. Shield.
That was like the knife they were trying to kill the cow.
Okay. Look at this guy.
That guy's awesome. Oh,
You want to see one of this is a Dorcas. This is Ikachugus.
Wasn't it gonna rain?
It was.
It was.
It was. Look at this.
Okay, let's play video
It's probably gonna rain tomorrow.
Oh. Oh no, not the worms.
Stop.
Worms like the rain. I really don't want to sleep. Oh, we're gonna stay in the farm forever. Just I really want to go home and sit still.
Alright guys, we are done and we are heading back home. Okay, yeah, it's been a very long and busy day in the farm, so finally we are heading back home right now.
In fact, that whole time, Achenbach couldn't even touch her. Achenbach's 86
Look at
mother has dementia
my tired
and
face.
lives in the Dodge Center nursing home. She's been there 2
Not just
years.
me, everyone is
Just before
tired.
nursing
They are all
homes were
sleeping
closed
at the
to
back of
visitors,
the car.
they
Can't wait to
celebrated
get
her
home.
mother's birthday.
I am home. So here are the meat that we got. So I've been processing all of it for a very long time now. What I do, I use the small grocery bags. I tie them up in a little barges. Then I put them in my freezer. Whenever I need to cook, I just grab one and I use that one. These are the legs that you guys saw us burning in the farm. So we burnt everything. So I also pack them up in a little bags, so are easily to be grabbed whenever I need to cook. I just grab one and I move on. So that's it for this. I will see you guys on my next one. I just want to take you guys along so you see how I get all the meat I use for my cooking. Thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed.